Now I will start session number 7, that is continuation of Bode plots. I will take an example here. Considering the transfer function of the previous slide, when here we have to go for 4 different types of previous general form. That means you are having you have to draw the Bode plot for 7 different general forms. Those are different structure or forms of Bode plots are constant k, integral form, derivative term in numerator, derivative term in numerator, denominator, and quadratic equation numerator and denominator. Like that, you are having different forms you are having. So for all these different forms, you can draw the Bode plot. So as you know, Bode plot is the combination of phase plot and uh, magnitude plot. Magnitude of open loop transfer function can be calculated as, for each term we have to take logarithm 20 log of denominator terms and numerator terms we have to take. Thus will gives you your magnitude, and phase angle will be pi is equal to tan inverse y by x, where y is uh, imaginary term divided by real term in that equation, open loop transfer function. So now I am having these 4 general forms. KB, it is a constant term. This is 1 over s, first order term. This is 1 over s by p plus 1. This is another term, and s by z plus 1 is another term. Here you are having 4 different forms you are having. So you have to express in dB. For if you want to convert this in dB to calculate the magnitude, you have to put first, according to rules of Bode plots, s is equal to j omega. You have to put in above equation. So s is equal to j omega is nothing but what? G of j omega is equal to kb into j omega z plus 1 divided by s into j omega. You substitute s by p plus 1, that is j omega p plus 1, substitute. Now we have to calculate the magnitude of this. 20 log of magnitude of j omega is equal to 20 log kb. Here numerator terms will be according to logarithmic rules. If you are going to take the log term, applying a logarithmic, 20 log kb plus 20 log magnitude of j omega by z plus 1 and minus magnitude of 20 log j omega, because it is in numerator, and numerator term another one is minus 20 log of j omega by p plus 1. So this will gives you, by varying the putting the values of omega, you will get the magnitude of the equation. Now we have 4 distinct terms to consider: 20 log kb, 20 log j omega by z plus 1, minus 20 log j omega, minus 20 log magnitude of j omega by p plus 1. So this usually Bode plots are constructed using Semi-Log. This is Semi-Log. This is logarithmic. It is having a logarithmic scale. This is a graph which will be available in a bookstall also. Using that one, Bode plots can be drawn, phase plot and magnitude plot. So this is a sheet of 5 cycles. You see, 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3, 4, 5 cycles. In each cycle you are having 10 parts. These parts are called, one part is equal to 1 dB or 1 decade, 1 decibel. It indicates 10. Okay. So now in one section or one part, you are having 10 subparts are there, or one part is divided into 10 subparts. Okay. So now depending on that, you have to select the scale. Usually in Bode plot, yes, this y-axis is used for magnitude, and this right side y-axis is used for phase angle. this magnitude and phase angle omega or frequency in omega in radian per second will be common. X-axis is common for both. So now I will go for the term 20 log B is just so many dB, and this is a straight line on Bode paper independent of omega, or it is independent of radian frequency. So always to draw the Bode plot, if you are having the magnitude of constant like 20 log KB, it will be represented in Bode plot straight line. Okay, it is independent on frequency. The term minus 20 log j omega is equal to minus 20 log omega. Then plotted on semi-log paper is a straight line sloping at minus 20 dB per decade. Okay, it has a magnitude 0 at omega is equal to 1. When 20 log j omega will be there, no? So that is having the magnitude 20 log omega. At omega is equal to 1, its slope is minus 20 dB. It is, see here, this is 1 magnitude. Its slope you have to draw like this 20 dB line like this. This is the slope which are having the 20 dB per decade. Okay, magnitude. Now you have to go for next. The term 20 log j omega by p plus 1 is drawn with the following approximations. If omega is less than p, we use the approximation minus 20 log j omega by p plus 1 is equal to 0 dB. It is a flat line. It is a flat line up to here. When j omega is less than p. Okay, if omega is greater than p, we use the approximation of minus 20 log omega by p, which slopes at minus 20 dB per decade starting at omega is equal to p. So it is easy to show that plot has an error of minus 3 dB at, usually this plot is having an error. What is that error? Minus 3 dB at omega is equal to p. Omega is equal to p when you are having. This is having the 3 dB, minus 3 dB. And omega is equal to 1 dB, minus 1 dB error. And omega is equal to p by 2 and omega is equal to 2p. So one can easily make these corrections if it is appropriate. Okay, now we have the term 20 log j omega by z plus 1. We have to approximate it be a straight line of slope 0 dB per decade. When omega is less than z, it is positive 20 log omega by z. When omega is greater than z, which is straight line on Bode paper, slope of 20 dB per decade as shown in figure here. This is positive term when omega is greater than 1. If it draw downward when omega is negative value. Okay. Now we'll go for example 1. Okay. You see example 1. Given transfer function is g of j omega is equal to 50,000 into j omega plus 10 in the numerator of the open loop transfer function. Denominator you are having j omega plus 1 into j omega plus 500. Always get the poles and zeros in a form such that constants are associated with the j omega terms. Constants are associated with the j omega terms. So in above example, we have to do this by factorizing out the 10 in the numerator and 500 in the denominator. So g of j omega is equal to 50,000 into 10 j omega. See here in above equation, j omega plus 10 is there, but you have to make the ratio of taking the common. 10 you have taken common from this, then your j omega will become j omega by 10 plus 1. Like this you have to make the terms both in numerator and denominator. Now 500 j omega plus 1, j omega by 500 plus 1. So is equal to, you simply 500 you can take it outside, you can numerator denominator cancel each other, you will be getting numerator 100 into j omega by 10 plus 1 divided by j omega plus 1 into j omega by 500 plus 1. This is same as this equation. This equation can be converted taking this amount common, okay, to get this equation. So second step is, when you have neither poles nor zeros at 0, start the Bode at 20 log of k is equal to 20 log 100 is equal to 40 dB in this case. 40 dB in this case. So I will explain next further in next session. Okay, I will stop this session. Next session I will continue with the same problem. Okay, I will stop this now.